Oh, you know that moment. Standing next to someone, silence hits, your brain blanks, you mutter, "How's the weather?" They say, "Fine." You both die inside. If this is you, you're not broken. You're just doing small talk wrong. Tonight that changes. I'm T from T Sharp, and I'm giving you the exact system that turns awkward silence into smooth conversation every time. No pickup lines, no fake charm, just psychology that works. Here's the truth nobody says. Most guys think they suck at small talk because they're not interesting enough. Wrong. The problem is you're asking questions like an interview. What do you do? How's your day? You're putting all the pressure on her to perform. She feels interrogated, shuts down awkward silence. Confident guys don't do this. They don't ask. They observe. And there's a dead simple way to turn observations into conversation gold. Stop asking questions. Start making observations. Instead of "What are you reading?" That book looks like it's been through war. Instead of "How's work?" You've got the look of someone who just survived Monday. Why this works? You remove pressure. You add curiosity. You show you're paying attention. But most guys still mess it up with boring observations. Nice weather. Cool shirt. Conversation killers. The difference? Three elements: specificity, slight exaggeration, implied story. Element 1. Specificity. Notice details others miss. Element 2. Slight exaggeration, add playful energy. Element 3. Implied story. Hint there's more behind it. Combine them and magic happens. But here's the nuclear weapon. The three-word phrase that ties it all together. I bet that. Examples. I bet that coffee just saved your life. I bet that book has a crazy story. I bet that meeting didn't go as planned. This phrase does three things: observes, shows interest, invites sharing without pressure. Do this tonight, and awkward moments disappear. Your mission: next time you're near her, use "I bet that" once. Comment, "I did it," when you try it. I reply to every single one. Like if you're done with awkward silence. Subscribe for more confidence systems. T Sharp, level up your life.